Hello everyone, this is Vrishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous session we discussed about application layer, transport layer, network layer of OSI model in detail with examples. I have mentioned a complete computer network subject playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session we will discuss the next topic, that is network security model. Let's start the session. In this session, we will discuss about network security, then network security model with examples, and at the end, we will discuss the question bank. Now, the first point is what exactly network security. As we know, in computer network, there are multiple devices are connected, and all the devices are share information with each other. Now, in network security, there are different policies and rules to protect your network and to protect your devices from unauthorized users or hackers or attackers. Now, there is a network administrator. So, this is a complete responsibility of network administrator to adopt different various defensive measures and policies to guard your network from all the possible security risk. So, this is called as network security. Now, there are total three types of network security: physical, technical, and administrative. Now, what is physical network security? It means that to restrict your physical devices or physical network devices from unauthorized users. Means there is a no permission to access routers, switches, different cables from unauthorized users. Also in different organization there are biometric passwords are there. In your mobile there are screen locks are there, right? Means to aware your physical devices from the hackers. This is called physical network security. Now the next one is a technical network security. So it means that like web browsing, there are HTTPS. This protocol is used. This website is there, right? Means they provide the secured version to the particular website. Also there are firewall protection. Then different social media's application in WhatsApp, in Instagram. There are end-to-end encryption chattings or sharings are there, right? Now cloud storage security is there. So this is called technical network security. And last one is a administrative network security. So it include different security policies. For example, password management policy. While generating a particular password, there are 8 digits are compulsory, which include smaller letter, capital letter, symbols like. So there are some policies and rules to decide a particular passwords. Also, there are different organizations who conducted security awareness training, and there are also different backup and recovery policies are there, right? So this is all called as network security. Now the next topic is network security model. See here, this is a diagram of network security model. This is the basic operational framework of network security. And the aim of this network security model to provide the secured communication between sender and the receiver. And your message, your information is prevented from different hackers and the attackers. So let's discuss this model in detail. Now see here in this particular image. There is a sender and there is a receiver. The name of the sender is called as Harry, assume that, and the name of the receiver is Raj. Now, suppose there is a sender, that is Harry want to send a particular mail, that is a sensitive information towards the receiver. Now, sender generate a particular mail and this mail in plain text, right? This is a sensitive document. So suppose Harry's mail is this is confidential document about project X. So these contents are mentioned in particular mail. Now sender want to send this mail to the receiver. So first step, sender generate a plain text mail. Now sender convert this particular mail in encrypted format, right? So this is called as secured message. They provide the encryption. So there are different types of encryption algorithm. For example, AES algorithm. So they convert this plain text into the ciphertext. See. So this ciphertext is unreadable by the humans or unreadable by the attackers. So this is called as secured message. Now this secured message sent to the receiver through this information channel. Clear? So first step, to generate a message in plain text format, and second step to convert this plain text message into the encrypted format. Now, the third step is transmission of secure message. Now, this encrypted secured message sent through this information channel to the Gmail server. Now, in this information channel, there are different opponents are there. Opponents means hackers. There are different hackers. They want to access this information. So opponents like eavesdrops opponents are there, means they want to read this mail, whatever the sensitive information are included in this particular mail. Then there are different modifications are there. Some hackers want to modify this mail, right? So these are the different opponents. So that's why this message is converted into the encrypted format, which is not easy to hack by the hacker, which is a unreadable format. Now, this information channel send this secured message to the receiver. Clear? Now, the next step is decryption by the receiver. Sender encrypted the message, receiver decrypted this message into the plain text format. Now there is a Raj, this is receiver. Receiver receive this message through the information channel. They apply decryption algorithm on that particular message, and again this message converted into the plain text like this is a confidential document about project X. So this is a network security model. Now, there are different trusted third parties. So, these trusted third parties provide the certificate authority. They manage and exchange different secured keys or different encryption and decryption techniques. And these trusted third parties also identify that this is a real sender and this is a real receiver. They manage a proper, accurate, or correct communication between sender and the receiver. Clear? So this is a working of network security model. As per your previous year question paper, they ask draw and explain operational model of network security for 6 marks and explain model of network security for 6 marks. So at that time you have to draw this diagram and explain complete diagram component wise. This is one of the most important question. So thank you. Keep learning.